Well, good morning again from the StormMeister testing facility here at Preston. We're now 1 hour later, and the boys were just about to empty the tank. That's why this pipe's in. So I said, hang on a minute, before you empty the tank, let's have a look and see how we've gone on in the past hour. Now you can see the level has dropped a little bit. Probably about 20 litres have come out, which obviously I'll just go to the inside now. Obviously not PAS 1188, but bearing in mind we've had water coming through the sides, which now seems to have stopped, and this is treble the height of the industry standard PAS 1188 standard, and this is quite remarkable because look, the droplets that were coming through the joints, that now seems to have stopped. So we're in the position here where it's been in an hour, or maybe probably I think just an hour and a half, because I didn't start filming until about half an hour after they put the water in, but say an hour and a half after the water's gone in, and it seems to have cured itself, not leaking at all. So I think that is pretty good. I'm well pleased with that. Well pleased, and thank you very much for watching.